ready to unlock the secrets of artificial intelligence. Let's embark on a journey to understand this transformative technology. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. This involves teaching computers to learn from data, solve problems, and make decisions. AI is already revolutionizing industries, from automating manufacturing processes to powering personalized recommendations. Its impact is undeniable. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors with diagnosis, treatment planning, and drug discovery, leading to better patient outcomes. Self-driving cars are another exciting application of AI, promising to make transportation safer and more efficient. AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, helping us manage tasks and access information. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in its development and deployment.